Hi everybody, this is Krista with Art Graphic Studio. Today's video is to show you how to upload and make little favor boxes to hold a small gift or candy or mints for your Thanksgiving guests. A really cute project and it doesn't take long to do. So let's get started. You can make just one or all four of these little projects. They are ping files and you can get them from my Etsy shop. If you have not already downloaded your SVG file, you can go to my Etsy shop by going to etsy.com and searching for Art Graphic Studio. Then scroll or search for the SVG you're looking for. If you are a Cricut Design Space user, you may be able to access my free designs. For more information, see my note at the end of this video. Upload your design contents. Now I have already uploaded mine. So we've got one more we're going to upload. Browse, go to where you put them. In this case, I put them on the table favor box. And this is the one that we still need to upload. So we're going to upload that one. It's complex. And here we're going to remove the background. We can just do that by remove background, or we can just simply click on the things we want to remove. So I'm going to apply and continue. This is going to be a print and cut image, and we're going to upload it. And we're going to add it to Canvas. Now we need to resize this. This shape right here should be about 2 by 4 inches. So we're going to draw a 2 by 4 inch box. And then we're going to resize this if necessary to match this 2 by 4 box. That's pretty close. Maybe get that just a little bit larger. That's about right. So we don't need that anymore. We'll get rid of that. Now this will be ready to cut. Or ready to make, I should say. So let's go ahead and upload our other items. That one, or add to Canvas. We've already uploaded it. I'm going to add that to Canvas. I'm going to upload our next one. I'm going to add that to our Canvas. Here again, we need to make sure that these sizes are right. And the last design, upload to Canvas, or add to Canvas. Now let's go ahead and check those designs. Here again, we need our box, 2 by 4. Check the sizes. That's about right. That's not quite right. Let's change these a little bit. It's about right. Check this one again. Okay, that one does need to be changed a little bit. And then this one, we'll check it also. And it does need to be resized just a tad. So all of them needed to be resized just a little bit. Okay. Once you've got all the designs on the canvas, you need to go ahead and add the score lines. Now there's not really a good way to import the score lines, so we're just going to go ahead and do those ourselves. We'll need one here, 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 and here. So let's go ahead and do that first for the first project. Go to Shapes and Score Line. And move that over where it needs to go. and resize it to the size it needs to be. You may have to use your arrow keys to get it just exactly the right place. And resize it. All right, let's put in the next one. And resize it. And hold Shift key to make sure it goes nice and straight. Then we'll do the next one. All right, and you can actually duplicate that score line if you want to, rather than making a new one and just move it into place right here. Now we need to make one here and here. And to do that, shape, score line, and let's rotate it 90 degrees. Move it into place. And hold Shift key and drag it to the right size. Now the next one will be also a duplicate. And we will move that down to the right place. Now we want to go ahead and let's quite get that in the right place. Let's move it over just a little bit. We want to go ahead and group all of our score lines so that we can add them to each one of these. The easiest way to do that is just to move this cover out of the way. Select all of these. I got this one just a little too long for this. Resize that. All right, that looks good. Let's go ahead and select them all and group them. And they're already set, as you can see, as score lines. So we're going to need one for each one of those. So we'll duplicate that 3 times. Now let's move our design back where it needs to go. Get it lined up good, and then select the score lines and the design and attach them. Then you want to do the same thing for each one of these. And attach. Let's go ahead and save it. Now you're ready to make it. So here we have our project. It is scored and cut out. So we're going to go ahead and bold on the score lines. This is a really simple project. It's easy to put together, it's quick, and it's so cute for your Thanksgiving table. The best thing to do to put this together is to glue the sides together first. And we'll run a bead of glue here and then line them up carefully. And I'd like to put some paper clips on them for them to dry for just a minute. So let's go ahead and do that. Line them up very carefully, especially on the ends there. And let's go ahead and put some paper clips on there, and then we'll let it dry for a few minutes and come back. That should be dry enough. Now, it's not really a good way to paper clip the end, so you're probably just going to have to hold it. So we run some glue here and then hold it in place for a few minutes until it dries. I'm going to reach in there and make sure that that flap is good and flat against the box. And then I'm just going to hold it for a few minutes until it dries. There we go, all done. Now if you'd like to, after you fill it with candy or mints or whatever you'd like to, or even a little gift, go ahead and put some ribbon on it or some raffia to make it that final touch. It'll be a really cute project for your Thanksgiving table. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video useful, don't forget to click the like, subscribe, and notification bell to stay informed about more exciting projects. I appreciate you watching my video, and I will see you next time. If you're a Cricut user, you can access some of my free designs simply by opening the Cricut design space, and in the home screen, type in my shop name, Art Graphic Studio, and search. When this next screen comes up, scroll to the bottom and click on my profile. This will bring up my profile page, and all of my shared projects will be listed. Just a note though, if you're not a Cricut Access member, Cricut may want to charge you for any of their components that were used in the original design.